Hey everybody, this is the Stuff the Gamer 01 here, and this is my second tutorial video, I believe. Yeah, this is my second tutorial video. And this one's probably going to be a little bit more all over the place because I'm not exactly 100% sure how I'm going to word this when I'm explaining it and how I'm really going to go about showing it. But let me just go and open up the Minecraft launcher here for you guys, and this is going to be, like I promised, a more in-depth modding tutorial for you guys. I'll do a separate video. Actually, I'll probably record it later today. When I'm recording this, it is Friday, October 25th. When I'm recording this, and probably later on today. So you'll probably get this video that I'm recording right now, Saturday, and then the next one Sunday, possibly. Don't hold me to that though. But as you can see, we got the Minecraft launcher. It's 1.7.2, big whoop. Well, not actually big whoop. They changed a lot. But I'm gonna be showing you guys how to more intensely, I guess is a word for it, mod your Minecraft 1.6.4 because 1.7 just came out, well, 1.7.2 I should say. And there's gonna be bugs. There's gonna be hardly any mods are gonna be updated. If you're a person that uses resource packs when you play with mods, they're not gonna be updated. So I prefer to stay with 1.6.4 because most mods that I know of and use are click the link, are updated to 1.6.4. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. You see all these down here? I just hit this profile and it switched to all these different things. The way I have worded them is when I watched a tutorial on how to do this, because I didn't figure it out myself. I watched Direwolf's 20 tutorial on this, and this is something you could only do with the new launcher. You can actually make multiple Minecrafts, multiple profiles, all under the same user. That's my original user right there. See, they're all with the username me, so they're all my profiles. But they all have their own Minecraft saves, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys that. I'll go into Minecraft Stars. Multiple instances is what I call it because that's what Direwolf called it, and so that's what I stuck with. And you can see I have 3 files here. Now, if you open these files, I'll go ahead and open this one, since it's the one I'm going to be showing you. It looks a lot like a Minecraft folder. That's because it is. It's its own .minecraft, essentially. Because if you open up this, oh, what do you know? It looks almost the exact same as the default Minecraft folder. So yeah. Now the way you're gonna want to do this, I'm not gonna show you exactly. I'm just gonna close this out. But actually no, I won't close that out. I'll just minimize it. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go online. Link will be in the description below, and you're gonna wrong stuff. You're going to want to download, the first one you're going to want to download, as you can see, I have quite a few mods here. You're going to want to download, where is it, Minecraft Forge installer for 1.6.4. Get the most updated one, because that's usually your best bet. And yeah, you go minecraftforge.net, I believe is the website. Like I said, the link will be in the description below. But download the Minecraft Forge installer, run it. Here, I'll show you guys. This will pop up, mod system installer. Just click install client. Make sure this is set to your wherever your .minecraft folder is. So for me, it'd be under users, my name, percent app data %, the old way of getting to your Minecraft, roaming .minecraft, and that's where you're gonna want to put it. And just click OK. It'll go. I'm not gonna do it because I already did it. It's gonna go and install Forge in this .minecraft, your original .minecraft that comes, when you buy the game. And you're gonna not want to modify that because, crashes occur and stuff happens and you lose your Minecraft. But like I said, always, So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna actually want to go once you've installed Forge, it's actually gonna show this little Forge tab here, and your original username and then this Forge tab should be the only 2 tabs here. Now what you're gonna want to actually do is come over, select the Forge, click edit profile. It'll say release 1.6.4-Forge, and then whatever Forge version you're using. In my case, I'm using 0.883. But as you guys see down here, this is actually something I did so that it enables me to install Optifine with Forge so that they are compatible. So if you just go to Optifine's, oh crap, if you go to Optifine's Minecraft forums page, I believe it is, and you scroll down to installation, it should show you. I believe it's hard installation, I believe, and then you. Hey, I'll close this out because I'm never gonna remember to do it. I'm gonna show you guys. I think it's .net. Watch, I probably screwed it up. Nope, I didn't. I actually got it right. I'll just show you guys how to get there. So, forums. Sorry, my computer's really slow, but this is gonna be painful. This is actually probably gonna be a longer video. You're gonna want to scroll down to that loading. Minecraft mods. Click on that, and then once you're in here, oh geez, come on up here and come up to the little search bar right up here and type in Optifine and search this forum, because it's just gonna search to the Minecraft Forge instead of all of Minecraft. And you're gonna want to look for 1.6.4 Optifine HD. I guess is the best one you can get. That's usually the only one I ever get, so I'm not too worried about it. But I don't know why just always. Why is this hating on me and doing this? You really want to go to the first page. I don't know why it brought me to the last page. And you should get a page that looks something like this. Oh look, 1.7.2. And you're going to want to scroll down to 1.HD Optifine C6 Ultra for Minecraft 1.6.4. Because, hey, we're using 1.6.4. What do you know? And you scroll down here to installation for 1.6.2 and newer. Click show for spoilers. And the way I'll be showing you guys is actually this complex. So yeah. It says not working with Forge here. I don't know why it says that. I think that's with earlier Forges for, I'm assuming, 1.6.2. So, that's pretty much here. It just told you what to do. What you want to do is you want to click, I'll bring this up again. Now once you've installed Forge and it comes with a tab, I'm repeating myself, this is going to be terrible. Let's see, come over here, let this load up. Click your Forge tab, click edit profile. Make sure this is checked, JVM arguments, and then whatever's, I believe nothing should be in there, either that or something. I can't remember what it is, but delete everything that's in there so it's empty. Come over to here, come down to complex, select everything inside the quotations, including the little dash mark here. Copy this over, paste it in here, and click save profile, and then you should be good. Go ahead and run that so that it creates your files and everything in your mods folder and everything else. And then the part I really wanted to get into with you guys is once you have this installed and you have your Forge profile set up so that it uses Optifine and it works with Optifine, which if you guys want to know how to install Optifine, you just download the mod. You either use .7zip or WinRAR. Open the file, drag and drop into the Minecraft Forge, which I think I can show you guys. You're going to want to go ahead and download Optifine. I use 7zip, open archive. Go ahead, drag that over to the side here. Go in your .minecraft, config, not config, versions. 1.6.4 Forge, open up this executable file, not fire, with 7zip, or WinRAR, whichever you choose. Control A over on this side, drag and drop over here. That's all you gotta do. And that's how you install Optifine. Alright, so here's that. So, now what you're gonna want to do is, now you have this Forge profile. The problem with this is that, though yes it is Forge and you can add mods to it fairly simply now, it's still gonna add them into your .minecraft though, your original .minecraft. and you don't want to. I don't like putting them in here because if something crashes your game and you don't know how to fix it, then you're essentially screwed. You're gonna have to delete everything, reinstall Minecraft, and do it all over. So what I figured out how to do with a lot of help from Direwolf20 and other modding videos that I've watched. Click have this Forge profile selected here, click new profile. It'll say copy of Forge. That means it's not gonna take a copy. Oh, oops, cancel. It's not gonna take a copy of your original .minecraft so that you have to reinstall Forge. It's not gonna take a copy of any other instance you have. It's just gonna copy the exact files that are in whatever one profile here has selected. Click new, it'll edit it. Now what you're gonna want to do though is you're gonna want to click this game directory here, have that, make sure that's, you know, check marks, and change this so it's not .minecraft. What you're gonna want to do, and this is what I did, is I went into my documents. I have a folder called Minecraft stuff, just so I know, hey, this is everything to do with Minecraft. Put everything in here. And then in here I have subfolders like different skins, mods, backup files, the original, the Minecraft application. And then I have this thing called multiple instances, which you're gonna want to create. Whatever you call it is up to you. I just called it that because that's what it was called in the video I watched. So whatever. I can probably change it if I wanted to. And inside here, you're gonna want to create a file. Let's just say, for instance, I go down to new folder, and I want to make one called I'll just call this video file because it's the one I'm doing on video. And you're gonna want to do is you want to click in here, click up here, because this is the directory to show you how to get to that file. You don't want to copy that over. Excuse me. Come over to here, game directory, and then paste that in. Oh, whoop, nope, I don't want to do that. Then click Save Profile. Now when you save this profile, it creates a profile, but notice, if you come back out here and go back in here, there's nothing in here yet. That's because you first have to run the game, which is probably going to lag extremely because I'm recording while I'm doing this. And you see here, it's popping in all the files, including the files that come with Forge and the files that come with default Minecraft. So essentially you're making a separate Minecraft, essentially, in a way, I guess. I mean, it's not exactly that, it runs off the same application, but you're making a second Minecraft save. Oh, not even save. I don't know how to word this. Yeah, I guess you could say, yeah, you're essentially making a second Minecraft, and this one, if this crashes, you can always just change profile. Okay, see, Minecraft 6.4. Blah 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 blah. Minecraft Optifine. Click mods. This is what's installed. Good. Now see here, this is whatever you do to this will only appear in this profile, the profile you just created, whatever it be that you named it. So if I switch back over to my original profile, which I have updated to 1.7.2, not only will it switch back over, but it knows exactly, okay, hey, this is in this profile. You don't take from this save area and you run the game off of these files. You take the files from this area and you run the game off of these files. If that makes any sense to you guys. And just like if you have, instead of my original profile, like say I have this one which is called a tech build, which is essentially my modded world that I play on, that like mod pack sort of thing I made myself. This is this one here. And it says, okay, you have this profile selected. You're only going to take the files and information from inside this folder and use this to run your Minecraft off of. So actually, any saves that you have in one will not actually be in the other one. Like the saves I have in this instance, like this one here, or the saves that I have in this one here, are not in the saves from my default Minecraft world. They're not the same files, they're not the same saves, they're not the same anything. It's completely different Minecraft. And you can, if you want to make one that's, instead of being 1.6.4 or 1.2.5, 1.0, 1.4.7, 1.6.2, 1.6.4, 1.7.2, even if mods are out that you want to play on, you can use that. You just click Save Profile to save all your changes, and then the first time you create the new profile, like I said, you run it once. Run it once without installing any mods, just to make sure that all the files are created. The game runs, you know, nothing's screwed up in your inside your files. And then yeah, that's about it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to actually install mods. Now I showed you guys how to install, essentially, I showed you guys how to install Optifine. That one's really actually only the hardest one you have to install. Now for this one, I'm going to be showing you this instance one here, which is my tech build, which have a whole bunch of tech type mods in it. Essentially, you're going to be going through all these files here, and you shouldn't have all these like error files and clients and, you know, output servers and all this stuff here. It should be a lot simpler, but you're going to see a file called mods. Now this is a file that comes specifically with Minecraft Forge. Minecraft Forge creates this when you know, run the game for the first time, and this is the folder that you put all your mods into. Just the zipped version or executable jar version, whatever it is. You just throw them in here, and boom, essentially you're done. So let's say, for instance, I take out, I'll take out Buildcraft. It's a mod that adds quarries, different things. Let's say I get rid of that, or let's say it was never there. I'm like, oh, you know what? I want to add Buildcraft to this. So I go into my one here, wherever you have your mod stored. Alright, download it off the internet. You know, take it from your downloads. Like, I'll show you what I do. I take it from my downloads, bring it over here, put it in the mods folder, so I know all the mods that I have downloaded and put on my computer are in one folder in one area, and I can just look through them there. I'm like, okay, oh hey, here's Buildcraft. Alright, Control C to copy it, or, you know, right click copy. Come back over to that file with, you know, all its saves. Come into here. Make sure you click like over here so you're not selecting a file or anything. Just click over here so it's not selecting anything. And just, you know, paste Control V if you want to, whichever. And it's installed. There you go. That's it. That's all you have to do. I will warn you guys though, with certain mods, like for instance, not enough items mod. I'm thinking of another one. I'm trying to think of another one. Tree Capitator, I believe. Yeah, Tree Capitator and NEI, not enough items, are the two mods that I have installed that do require a different file to run. Now, like NEI, for your not enough items to run, you have to have Code Chicken Core downloaded. You can get both of those off of the Code Chicken Core website, which I'm not going to put a link in the description for because it's easy to find. And then Tree Capitator, which is essentially a mod that's when you have any axe, whether it be wood, diamond, stone, iron, whatever, and you hit the bottom piece, the bottom block of wood essentially on a tree, the whole tree comes down with that one swing, though it does take longer to chop down the tree. All the saplings, anything that the leaves would drop in one swing. So you're not sitting there and you gotta, you know, chop out all the wood, make sure all that's gone, then you gotta wait for the leaves to decompose. It just boom. There you go. It's all done in one hit. I don't know why I told you guys about that. But yeah. So essentially that's it, really. I mean, it's not as hard as I thought it was actually going to be to do to actually mod. But I will warn you guys though, there are certain mods that are not compatible together. For instance, one that I know of for sure is Thaumcraft 4.0, which is the updated Thaumcraft for 1.6.4, is not compatible with the minimap mod Raise Minimap. It is not compatible. They are not compatible. Your game will crash, and it sucks. But yeah, I think that's about it. Actually, it's not hard to install mods. Hopefully, this video guys helped you guys out quite a bit. I rambled on, made a lot of nonsense, really, but I didn't really know for sure how I was gonna word what I was trying to say, because it's really hard to explain. I mean, once you do it once or twice, you got the hang of it. You can probably create a new profile, install all the mods you want to install and all that within a couple of minutes if you wanted to, and if you did it often. But I know the first couple of times it can be really confusing. And in another video coming out Sunday, I'm going to actually be showing you guys where's the most reliable sources to get your mods from. Well, until that video, guys, excuse me, I'm Stealthy Gamer 01. See you later.